Hello, my friends. It's teacher Helena. Here is another windy story. This book is called A Windy Day by Laura Pegram and paintings by Cosby S. Cabrera. Mommy says it's a very windy day. We put on our jackets before going to play. While Mommy sets up our picnic lunch, Daddy shows me the sandbox bunch. A leaf falls down during sandcastle play. When I reach for it, wind takes it away. My brother Sekou likes to rip and run. Wind takes his cap, carries it to the sun. Sekou and his friend catch the cap at last, slow down to play, tickle and tumble in the grass. A butterfly fluttering through the air lands softly on a flower that is near. As I move in closer, it brushes my nose, dips and dives and dances and blows. Daddy says butterfly is simply shy, but I believe wind made it fly. Mommy calls us to say it's now time to eat. But the wind takes our napkins as we enjoy our treats. Daddy runs fast and brings most of them back, folds them, and puts a fruit basket on the stack. Mommy points down to my stocking feet. What's in my stockings? Look, wind has given me a gift of a pretty green leaf. The end. I wanted to share this story with you called Windy Day. Let's see what it's all about. Windy Day, written by Janet Craig and illustrated by Julie Durrell. Whoosh, whoosh goes the wind. What a windy day, says Penny. On goes a coat. Do you wear a coat when it's windy too? On goes a hat. Do you wear a hat when it's chilly? Off goes Penny. Off she goes to mail a letter. Who do you think the letter is to? Whoosh goes the wind, and off goes the letter. Up it goes, down it goes. Off goes Penny. Off she goes to find the letter. Did you see a letter? Says Penny. Yes, says Dan. It went up there. Did you see a letter? Says Penny. Yes, says Fran. It went down there. Did you see a letter? Says Penny. Yes, says Anne. It went in there. Did you see a letter? Says Penny. Yes, says Stan. It went over there. all the way over on top of that car. Will Penny find the letter? Whoosh goes the wind. There goes the letter. It goes up. It goes down. In and over there. Did you see a letter? Says Penny. Yes, says Benny. It went in here. And he points to his mailbag. Whoosh goes the wind. Oh no, off go all the letters. Off go Penny and Benny. Off they go again. Whoosh! What a windy day. The end. Do you think Penny and Benny will be able to pick up all of the letters that the wind carried away when it went whoosh? I wonder. Thank you for reading this story with me, my friends, and I hope you stay nice and warm, and I hope your things do not get whooshed away by the wind. I'm sending you a big hug.